Question.
So there is only one question for the 5 candidates. Okay, the final question is, if you were to win as Miss Valencia 2016, how would you promote your town to the world? Again?
If you were to win as Miss Valencia 2016, how would you promote your town to the world? Let's start off with candidate number 4. Whoopi Jane Magdoza won Miss Photogenic and Miss Camellia Award.
If I will win Miss Valencia, I will use my connection, my voice, and my energy to showcase and promote my town to the world. I will use the power of social media to inform people about our beautiful, unique town, a town full of natural wonders and beautiful people who embodies a true Filipino spirit. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, candidate. Now let's proceed to candidate number 5, Micah Jane Ranque.
Micah G won earlier Miss Talent and Miss Fairness and Flawless. What's her answer?
If I would be Miss Valencia, I would promote the town by using the word of mouth, by using the social medias. We all know that the social media is the greatest tool in spreading information in our generation today, and most especially by encouraging my co-Valenciana to help hand in hand in enhancing the beauty of my hometown. I want that the whole world will know and experience the best of Valencia. Thank you.
Micah G Ranque. Candidate number 5. Our next candidate number 7. Charlene Tagut, who won earlier Miss Congeniality. What is her answer to our final question?
I do firmly believe that Valencia is one of the progressive province in Bohol. If I will win Miss Valencia 2016, I will promote our town through social media because it is the quickest, easiest way to reach individuals of all ages. And I will encourage them that coming here to our town is a great idea, that they can experience happiness, peace, and serenity. But for these things to make possible, we should make first our town some places we want to be, so that others will come here too. Because after all, what we have now is a gift from God, and what we will become in the future is our gift to Him. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Charlene Tagot. Now let's proceed with candidate number 9, Devi Monage, for her answer.
Valencia. Media to encourage the people to come here in our town to see what is the beauty of Valencia, and especially spring, which is very nice. It's very nice, relax, and you can enjoy. And summer, which is we have many chocolates, which is see, and you can relax every time you come here. Thank you.
Hey, that's Debbie Monage, our 4th finalist. And our 5th candidate, candidate number 3, Chai Marie Pao. Earlier won Miss Smart Communications and Best in Evening Gown. To answer,
If I would win Miss Valencia, I would promote our that features our Valencia's natural alluring that would capture the tourism heart. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, how about a big hand for all our top five? Sure, it's still here. How about a big hand for all top five? All right, that's the end of our competition. Wala na tayong competition. We are done with the final question. Now it's all up to our judges.
Yes, the decision on who's gonna be the next Miss